Okay guys, I'm back. Where you guys at? Over.
Right behind you. We're coming.
Copy that. All right, let's continue to hike. Michael's back there with his brother holding it down. Like I said, I trust myself and I trust Michael enough to know that he's okay with his brother. Finish this hike. So yeah, we're well over close to an hour and a quarter here in this hike. Let me just double check. Are you guys close? Are you guys close? Over. Copy that. I got some more hikers here with a dog, a beagle.
Hi.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good, good. Ooh, you can smell the perfume on that one. Not a good choice, ladies, when you're out in the woods like this. You don't want to attract animals and insects with your smell, especially if it's perfume or scented body wash or hair stuff. I see them back there. Look. No, it's not Bigfoot, y'all. All right, let's continue this hike.
Stop. We gotta keep going. We gotta keep going.
It's approximately let's see here. Not pretty sure the mileage just yet, but it's close to, if I'm not mistaken, almost 9.5 miles so far. It's 13:19. And we're coming up on another marker. So yeah, push little man. So anybody made it this far in my video, watching it, I really do appreciate you taking the time to look at it. Maybe you might learn a thing or two. Maybe you might just enjoy what I see.
Oh, we were here?
So appreciate you guys. There go another marker.
Let's go, bro. Let's go. Here, dude. Just here.
We're probably gonna have chow about 1,800 hours. Go back and get a snack or two. What y'all hear is Michael and Elijah chatter. A lot of trees out here falling over and stuff. Wondering how old some of these trees are. Should have gave you guys a quick history lesson on the park, but I'll do that later. Here goes another marker. Look at that. Mushrooms growing on a tree with the moss. Here go another marker. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to thank you for taking the time to watch this video if you did. Even if you had to scroll through it a little bit, but at least got the important parts. I appreciate it. And this is Bluff Loop Trail. I'm signing off right now, and I will get back to you with some more videos shortly. Oh wow, got the squirrels playing up the tree. But yeah, this was fun, and I'll probably just hold on until I get out the trail, which is right up this hill. Marker. So yeah, thank you guys, and I will be back shortly with some more videos of this trip. I'm at the top now. Appreciate you guys.